truck loading massive logs onto itself. A machine cutting timber into smaller pieces. Don't miss the action. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating moments. You gotta respect this guy. Winter throws everything it's got at him. Freezing temperatures, icy roads. You name it, but he's not backing down. He and his Volvo FH16. 750 are a team pushing forward. Getting the job done, it's like that old saying. It's not about how strong you are. It's about how long you can keep going. That's what it's all about. Those guys are luckier than I thought. Imagine this, you're out in the forest. The sun is shining and you're operating the most efficient and powerful logging equipment on the market. That's the feeling you get with the log set. TH65 and Komatsu 911. It's not just about getting the job done. It's about doing it with ease and confidence. This duel empowers you to work smarter, not harder. Check out this awesome video of the Cat 2 59D with an FAE1. 50 head clearing a whole acre of land. It's super satisfying to watch all that brush disappear. You can really see how powerful this machine is. And the operator knows exactly what they're doing. This is how the pros get it done. Who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to tackle your own overgrown backyard. Ever wondered how they load an excavator onto a truck? Without a ramp, watch these pros work their magic, making it look effortless, with moves that seem second nature. These drivers must have nerves of steel. We're witnessing a real-life challenge here. The Belarus MTZ-89, 2 with its powerful 95 horsepower engine and 9-speed transmission, is stuck in thick mud, and the icy ground only makes it worse. Even the best machines struggle in tough conditions. That's where the MTZ-1025 comes in. Its superior traction and torque make it the perfect solution to pull the 892 out of this sticky situation and get it back on track. The Dutchman Industries 100-inch tree space is a game changer in tree transplantation. With large cutting blades and hydraulic precision that make moving trees a breeze, while it performs excellently in optimal conditions. Its true test lies in dry, rocky terrains, or with mature trees featuring extensive root systems. Further, testing is needed to confirm its full capabilities in these tougher situations. Tractor 5.2 IH 88 is the perfect solution for easily removing tree stumps with outstanding power and flexible operation. This tractor can handle stubborn tree stumps quickly and save effort. The roar of the chainsaw. Each sharp cut cuts through the hardwood, and when the oak tree falls, it is a finished work. Wait for this moment. Oh no! At first glance, but its capabilities are truly remarkable. It can process trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter and generate 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. The video evokes a sense of awe and perhaps even a touch of fear, highlighting the raw power of this machine. Teamwork makes the dream work. This rescue was all about having the right equipment in the right hands. The Volvo excavators and that tractor worked seamlessly, not missing a single beat. Precision, power, and expert technique. This is how they turn a tricky situation into a flawless success.